with a live cougar.
Where'd you get that thing?
I trapped it. Been keeping it in my bathroom at the motel, feeding it old pizza. I'm not in that car. You hear me? No, I'm not getting in that car. Listen, if you're calm, that wondrous big cat will be calm too. But if you're scared, that beautiful death machine will do what God made it to. Namely, eat you with a smile on his face. Not just fall wherever I go. But if I just calm down and move real fast, yeah.
Do the jiggly wing.
Come on, son, you can do it. Come on.